Get ready for the most incredible, gooey, chocolatey hazelnut treat you can make in just 10 minutes flat. Say hello to my super speedy Nutella puff pastry twists. These beauties are the business, I'm telling you. They look absolutely fantastic. They taste even better. They're so ridiculously easy to make. Forget spending hours in the kitchen trying to bake something complicated. Maximum flavor, minimum fuss. Need a sweet fix right now? This is a proper game changer. Make everyone think you're a kitchen hero. Friends. Family. Quick, lovely table-ready treats with zero stress. The magic is simplicity. Just a handful of ingredients you probably already have. No fancy equipment, no complicated techniques. Pure joy in every bite. Flaky, buttery pastry. Rich, creamy Nutella. A match made in heaven. Let's get stuck in. Make some magic. Alright, let's get our ingredients lined up and ready for action. This is the best part because the list is so wonderfully short and simple. No need to go on a massive treasure hunt around the supermarket for this one, which is always a bonus, isn't it? First up, one 320-gram sheet of ready-rolled puff pastry. Go all butter for gorgeous, flaky richness. Next, the star. About 4 generous tablespoons of Nutella, or more if you're feeling extra naughty. We're not here to judge. You'll need 1 lovely free-range egg, and a splash, about a tablespoon, of milk to make our shiny egg wash. Then a tablespoon of demerara sugar for a crunchy, caramelized sparkle. Recap: 1 ready-rolled pastry sheet, the all-butter kind if possible. 4 big, happy tablespoons of Nutella, 1 free-range egg, a splash of milk, and a tablespoon of crunchy demerara sugar. A true store-cupboard recipe for sweet treat emergencies. Having everything ready, mise en place, makes this super quick. Let the pastry take the chill off, open the Nutella, crack your egg, and keep sugar and milk close. When you're organized, assembly is a breeze. It's all about working smart, not hard. Right then, team. Let's get this show on the road. The first thing you want to do is get your oven preheating. Set it to 200°C or 180°C if you've got a fan oven. We need it nice and hot for a perfect puff. Find a clean surface and unroll your pastry directly onto the parchment it came with. Less washing up, no sticking. Tidy the rectangle if needed, then lightly score a guideline down the middle. Don't cut through, it's just a guide. Top tip: work directly on the baking tray you'll use, so you won't distort delicate twists later. Oven heating. Pastry unrolled on its paper on a tray, center line scored. Perfect. If pastry is fridge cold, let it sit 5 minutes so it won't crack. You're all set for the best part. Okay, now for the part everyone's been waiting for. Nutella. Grab your jar and a spatula or the back of a spoon. We're covering 1/2. Spread a generous, even layer right up to the edges. Decadent and gooey is the goal. If it's firm, a 10-15 second soften makes spreading silky and tear-free. Fold over like a book and seal the edges, fingertips or fork tines, for pretty leak-proof parcels. Smooth out any air bubbles. That's the heart of our twists. Ready for the fun bit. Use a sharp knife or better, a pizza cutter. Slice 2-centimeter strips from the folded edge toward the sealed edge. Don't stress perfection, about 10 to 12 strips is typical. Rustic charm. Pick up a strip, hold one end, and gently twist 2 or 3 times. Watch that beautiful spiral appear. So satisfying. Lay each twist on the tray with space to puff. Twist, place, twist, place. Therapeutic, quick, and kid-friendly. Longer, shorter, tighter, looser. Make them yours. Don't over-twist or you'll squeeze filling out. A whole tray of swirly, chocolate-filled twists, already looking fantastic. Imagine them golden brown, puffed and sizzling. Give them room so they bake evenly and don't become one pastry monster. Crack your free-range egg, add a splash of milk, and whisk, our shiny egg wash. Brush all over, gently, keeping the twist shape intact for that professional golden finish. Sprinkle demerara generously. Big crystals, caramelize, into a crunchy, sweet topping. Contrast meets gooey center. Irresistible. Your oven's preheated and waiting. Carefully slide the tray onto the middle shelf. Set a timer for 10 to 12 minutes and keep an eye on them near the end. Ovens vary. You're looking for spectacular puff and a deep golden brown. The demerara melts and caramelizes into a glistening crust. The kitchen fills with buttery pastry and warm, toasty hazelnut aromas. When they're golden and crisp, take them out and set the tray on a heat-proof surface. Expect a little bubbling at the edges. Totally fine and utterly delicious. Let them sit for a couple minutes. Transfer to a wire rack to cool, or carefully enjoy one warm. That hot Nutella can surprise you. Fresh from the oven, the pastry is its flakiest and most tender. The Nutella, a glorious, gooey river. Perfection. Thinking about Nutella always takes me back to my first holiday in Italy as a kid. Fresh bread, a new jar of this magical stuff, that first bite on a sunny balcony, pure happiness in food form. For me, Nutella means warmth, happiness, and sunny Italian mornings. A little jar of nostalgia. Recipes like this take that nostalgia and turn it into something special, without the fuss. It's about sharing joy and making new memories. And there you have it, a tray of pure, unadulterated joy. Stunningly golden, beautifully twisted, wonderfully flaky, crisp outside with a warm, gooey Nutella center. Serve piled on a rustic board or simple white plate. Dust with icing sugar. Add good vanilla ice cream, raspberries or strawberries if you fancy. Endless options. So what are you waiting for? Give this recipe a go. It's quick, delicious, and guaranteed to make everyone smile. Any occasion, any night. Get in the kitchen, have some fun, and enjoy every flaky, chocolatey bite. You've earned it. Lovely jubbly.